This is Teresa, your LaLaLa lunch lady. Hey, you don't need to go any fancy spas. If you work in food service, you get all your spa treatments right here in the kitchen. Let me show you. Okay, who needs one of those fancy smancy spa facials? Well, we have this right here. Ooh, a macaroni facial. Helps to clear the pores, helps to firm up those lines, those horrible little lines we get as we get older. Ooh, nice. Oh, I'm having a hot flash. My goodness. See, right there. Had your facial for the morning. I have one at least once a day. Yep, the joys of working in the kitchen with Chef Teresa.